Hanggang ngayon, matindi pa rin ang polusyon sa ating mga ilog at karagatan. Yan ang problemang naisolusyonan ng isang grupo. Kilalanin natin sila.
Kasabay po ng pagbaha sa ilang bahagi ng Metro Manila ang paglutang din ng pabalik-balik na problema sa mga basura. At magmat tinutugunan daw ito.
Have you ever imagined what the world would be like without trees, animals, or even oceans full of life? Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's exactly what could happen if we lose one of the most important things on our planet.
Hi guys, I'm Rhea Rizz Apaso. So, biodiversity is the term used to describe the variety of all living organisms on Earth, including plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms, as well as the ecosystem they form and genetic difference with these species. It is often divided into three levels: genetic diversity, aberration within species, species diversity, the number of different species, and the ecosystem diversity, the variety of habitats and ecosystems. Biodiversity is extremely important because it supports the stability and functioning of ecosystems. Each species, no matter how small, plays a role in maintaining the balance of nature, such as pollinating plants, purifying water, breaking down waste, and regulating the climate. When biodiversity is lost due to deforestation, pollution, invasive species, or climate change, the natural system that supports life begin to weaken. This can lead to reduced food security, increased disease spread, and the loss of natural beauty and heritage. Protecting biodiversity is therefore not only about saving plants and animals, it is about ensuring a sustainable and healthy future for all life on Earth.
Hi, my name is Sheena. You might be wondering, what are the threats that are affecting the biodiversity here in the Philippines? Number one is deforestation. Large areas of forests are being cut down for logging, mining, and agriculture. An example of this are illegal logging in the Sierra Madre Mountains, destroys the habitats of species like the Philippine eagle. Number two is pollution. Waste from factories, households, and farms pollutes rivers, seas, and air. Example of this is plastic waste in Manila Bay that harms marine animals such as sea turtles and fish. The third one is climate change. Rising temperatures are stronger than typhoons, damage ecosystems. Example of this are coral bleaching in the Tubata reefs due to warmer sea temperatures. Fourth one is illegal hunting and wildlife trade. Many animals are captured and sold as pets for food. Example of this is hunting for tarsiers, and pangolins reduces their population in the wild. Urbanization and land conversion. Forests and wetlands are turned into cities and farms. Conversion of mangrove areas into fish pond reduces natural coastal protection and fish habitat.
Good day, I'm Junnifer Gomez. So, what are the main causes of harming the biodiversity of our environment? The decline of biodiversity in the Philippines is mainly caused by widespread deforestation, pollution, illegal wildlife exploitation, climate change, and unsustainable use of resources. Forest areas are being converted into farmlands or used for mining and logging, which destroys the natural habitats of countless species. Pollution from industrial waste, plastic, and chemical runoffs poisons ecosystems and threatens both wildlife and human health.
Hey guys, my name is Robert Andre Saavedra. As college students, what can we do to mitigate these threats that are affecting the biodiversity of our environment? As college students, we may feel small compared to the big environmental problems threatening biodiversity, but our collective actions can actually make meaningful differences. One of the most effective things we can do is to educate ourselves and others about the importance of biodiversity and the impacts of human activities such as pollution, deforestation, and climate change. By becoming more aware, we can make smarter daily choices like reducing use of single-use plastics, supporting eco-friendly products, and minimizing waste. On campus, we can join or start environmental organizations that promote sustainability projects such as awareness campaign, tree planting, or cleanup drives in collaboration with other groups or organizations. Participating in this activity not only helps the environment directly, but also encourages others to act. We can also advocate for our schools to adopt greener policies such as banning plastic utensils in cafeterias, improving recycling systems, or using renewable energy sources. Another step is to integrate sustainability into our studies and careers. Whatever our major is, we can find ways to include environmental awareness, whether through research, design, communication, or innovation. Biodiversity protection isn't just for scientists, it's for everyone. By combining education, advocacy, and everyday responsibility, we can be part of a generation that helps restore and preserve natural balance for our planet.